You need to hear this if you're dreaming of becoming a parent. Let's dive into pregnancy planning. First things first, visit your doctor. They'll help you get a health checkup and give you advice. Next, start taking prenatal vitamins. Folic acid is super important. Eat a balanced diet with lots of fruits, veggies, and whole grains. And don't forget to stay active. Dancing, walking, or yoga can be fun ways to move. Track your menstrual cycle. Knowing your ovulation period boosts your chances of conceiving. Apps can help with this. Cut back on caffeine and say goodbye to smoking and alcohol. These can affect your baby's health. Talk to your partner about finances and parenting styles. Being on the same page is key. Lastly, join a support group or online community. It's great to share tips and experiences with others. Remember, planning a pregnancy is about preparing your body, mind, and life for a new little one. You've got this.